36 beautiful species of ducks are found in India. Andaman teal is a small brown duck with a pale throat and scalloped plumage endemic to the Andaman Islands. Their face is sometimes all white, but always has a white eye ring. In flight, you can notice a white panel on the upper wing and white armpits on the underwing. Baer's Pochard are extremely rare diving ducks found in Bihar, West Bengal and northeast India. Both sexes have a dark head. Eclipse males resembles females but retain the white eye. Females of Baer's Pochard and the Ferruginous duck are quite similar. Baikal teal is found in Assam, Bihar, southern parts of Gujarat, West Bengal and northeast India. Female is mostly drab brown but with a distinct white spot near base of the bill. Male has an unmistakable green and yellow facial pattern, spotted rose pink breast and long drooping scapulars. Common Goldeneye is named for their golden yellow eye found in Assam, Bihar and West Bengal. Females and first-year males have grey body and chocolate brown head. Breeding males have a black head with circular white patch at the base of the bill, black back and a white body. Common Merganser is a large duck with a sleek body and thin red bill. They nest in tree holes and are found in Ladakh, north and northeast India. Females and immature males have rusty brown head and grey bodies with a cleanly demarcated white throat. Breeding males have a dark green head and mostly white body with peachy blush on underparts. Common Pochard is a mid-sized diving duck found in the Indian subcontinent. Female is grey-brown overall with diffuse pale head markings. Male is distinctive with dark rusty head, pale grey body contrasting with black breast and a broad pale bluish band on the bill. Common Shelduck is a distinctive, large, rather goose-like duck of coastal wetlands, tidal mudflats and nearby grassy fields found in the north and northeast India. Female is smaller compared to males with some white facial markings. They have a striking plumage, head is deep glossy green, broad dark rusty breast band. Male has raised knob at base of the red bill. Cotton teal is a tiny duck found in the Indian subcontinent. Female looks plain with a strong dark eye line that does not continue back to the nape. Male has a bright white head and neck with a dark crown and eyes. Eastern spot-billed duck, also known as Chinese spot-billed duck, is found in the northeast of India. They are dark brown overall with a pale head marked by two black stripes between the eye and the bill. Eurasian Wigeon migrates from northernmost regions to the Indian subcontinent during winters. Female has a speckled brown head, rusty flanks and a brown back. Male shows rufous head with buffy forehead, pearly grey body and pinkish breast. Falcated ducks are found in the north and northeast India. Brownish females resembles female Gadwall but have a dark bill. Males are distinctive with an iridescent head that flashes green and copper, a silvery body with distinct scalloping, extremely long curved tertials, and a triangular white throat patch outlined in dark green. Ferruginous duck is rich rusty brown overall with contrasting white triangular patch undertail found in the Indian subcontinent. Females have dark eyes and males have pale white eyes. Fulvous whistling duck, also known as Fulvous tree duck, are found in south, east and northeast India. They are a rich caramel colored duck having long legs and neck that give them a goose-like appearance. Gadwalls are found in the Indian subcontinent. They are similar in size to mallards but have a thinner bill. Females have an orange line along the edge of the bill. Males appear grey overall with a small white patch on wing and have larger puffier head than mallards. Garganey male is handsome and distinctive with big white eyebrows on dark brown head, pale grey flanks and pale grey forewings striking in flight. Female looks very similar to female green-winged teal, but head pattern is more contrasting with paler eyebrow, darker eye stripe and unstreaked whitish throat. Greater Scaup are round-headed diving ducks found in Delhi, West Bengal and North India. Females are brown overall, greyer on body in winter with white patch at base of the bill. Males have black breast, medium grey back and white sides. Both sexes have yellow eyes. Green-winged teal, also known as common teal, are winter visitors to the Indian subcontinent. Females are brown, darker overall than other dabbling ducks. Males have a brown head with a wide green swath behind the eye, creamy speckled breast and mostly grey body. Indian spotbill ducks are non-migratory large greyish-brown ducks with a distinctive yellow-tipped black bill and orange-red spot at the base of the bill. They are found throughout the Indian subcontinent. Females are similar to males but smaller and lack the red spot on the base of the bill. Knob-billed duck, also known as comb ducks, are found in tropical wetlands of the Indian subcontinent. Both sexes are iridescent purplish-green above with a white or buffy breast. Females have a plain bill and grey flanks. Males have a large black lump on the bill. Lesser whistling duck, also known as Indian whistling duck or lesser whistling teal, are nocturnal feeders and breeds in the Indian subcontinent. They are pale brown overall with chestnut underparts and chestnut fringed feathers on the back. Note the faint orange-yellow eye ring. Long-tailed ducks are diving ducks that favor saltwater in winter and Arctic tundra pools in summer. They are found in the north and northwest of India. Females and immature males are brownish overall with whiter face and large dark cheek patch. Males are distinctive with black, white, grey and brown patterns and a long pointed tail. Maithili duck, also known as Mithila ducks, have a mosaic patterned plumage and are native to Bihar. Female's head is brown and have circular spots on their feathers. Drake's head is dark brown or bright black to greenish black. Tail is brown to black. Mallard males have a green head, chestnut breast and grey body found in North India. Females are mottled brown with orange and black splotches on the bill. Mandarin duck is a small exotic looking duck found at lakes and parks, usually with nearby trees found in the northeast India. Female has narrow white spectacles on shaggy grey head, bold pale dappled spots along flanks and a pale bill tip. Male looks very ornate with big orangey sail fins on the back, streaked orangey cheeks and a small red bill with a whitish tip. Marble duck, also known as marble teal, are found in the northwest India. They are beautiful small grey-brown ducks with a black eye mask, long neck and a dark bill. Males sport a shaggy crest. Female looks similar to male but are smaller. Northern pintail is an elegant slender duck with long neck and tail. In winters, they migrate to the Indian subcontinent from the northern regions. Adult female is mainly scalloped and mottled in light brown with a more uniformly grey-brown head and a shorter pointed tail. Males have a chocolate brown head with a white slash coming up the neck, white breast and mostly grey body. Northern shoveler is a medium-sized duck that breeds in the northern regions and migrate to the Indian subcontinent during winters. They have huge spoon-shaped bill visible at a distance and in flight. Females are buffy brown with large distinctive bill. Breeding males have dark green head, white breast and chestnut sides and belly. Pati duck have a squat posture and are distributed along the Brahmaputra and Barak valleys of Assam. Female ducks are solid brown. A white ring may or may not be present at neck in both sexes. Plumage is dark brown in drakes with greyish black head. Tail has black and white feathers. The bill, shank and feet are predominantly yellow. Pink-headed duck are large diving ducks that was once found in parts of Gangetic plains, especially in Madhubani and Darbhanga districts of Bihar, but are feared to be extinct since the 1950s. Male has a pink bill, head and neck. Female has a pale pinkish head and neck with a paler bill. Red-breasted Merganser is long-bodied and one of the fastest diving ducks with a thin bill and shaggy crest. They breed in the northern regions and migrate south during winters. They are found in Maharashtra. Females and immature males have a brown head and grey body. Bill is dull red. Breeding males have a dark green head, brown breast and grey sides. Red-crested Pochard male is striking and unmistakable with large rounded rusty orange head, long red bill and black breast. They are winter visitors to the Indian subcontinent. Female is buff brown overall with pale white cheeks and rounded dark brown cap. Ruddy Shelduck, also known as the Brahmini duck, is striking and distinctive goose-like duck found in the Indian subcontinent. Plumage is bright ruddy overall with contrasting pale creamy head and neck. Male has a narrow black neck ring. Female is similar but has a rather pale whitish head and neck and lacks the black collar. Both sexes have black bill and legs and big wide four-wing patches striking in flight. Both sexes of Smew ducks have bushy crests found in West Bengal and northeast India. Striking male is mostly white with black face mask and fine black lines on sides of breast and flanks. Female has dark rusty brown head with big wide throat and cheek patch. In flight, they appear strikingly black and white. Tufted duck is common in wetlands of the Indian subcontinent. Male is boldly patterned and distinctively black overall with white flanks and a floppy crest. Female is dark brown overall with short crest, paler flanks, staring golden yellow eyes and often a messy white patch at base of the bill. White-headed duck is remarkably an odd-looking diving duck with a long tail, often held cocked, found in the northwest of India. Female and juveniles have a darker brown bill, more extensive dark crown and a pale cheek stripe. Males have a striking white face and black crown that contrasts with their large blue bill and chestnut body. White-winged duck, also known as white-winged wood duck, is found in the northeast of India. Their distinctive white head can be quite clean-looking or densely speckled with black, depending on age and sex. Extensive white wing patches is most noticeable when the bird is in flight.